My name is Mats Johansson, working at Ericsson for marketing within the area of broadband, IP and cloud.
Superb. And what has been the main message that Ericsson has brought to this year's Broadband World Forum?
Well, the key message for us has been to talk about key network performance and the real application performance, real network performance. And that is to say that very important for operators these days is to make sure that they can secure the end user experience with a superior performance. And that drills down to all parts of the network. Even if we virtualize and cloudify in the future, this very much applies if applications end up in the network.
And what about the conversations you've been having here? What have you been talking about? Who have you been talking to?
We have been talking to service providers from across Europe and outside Europe as well, mainly about things like service provider, SDN for service providers. There's a big interest in that. Virtualization, things like cross-domain orchestrations have been high on the agenda. So those conversations have been very, very important for us. More than that, it's also a feature that we have been presenting this time is Wi-Fi calling, that you can use your own 4G LTE phone and make ordinary voice calls on your own residential Wi-Fi if you have poor indoor coverage. Very big interest among operators for that.
And what do you think the major distinguishing feature is about the Broadband World Forum? What's its strongest quality?
I think the strongest quality is that it's a big enough event to attract senior managers, also from service providers, also from suppliers, and to have that right level of discussion. That I think is the main thing with the Broadband World Forum, and I'm happy to see it evolving from more towards the entire network for both fixed and mobile, also into important areas like cloudifications of the telcos and virtualization.